What good is love? A manifesto. I'm not here to convince you. I'm not here to convert you. I'm here to tell you what I've seen and what I've lived. The truth hit me on an ordinary day. I was sitting outside watching the trees when a thought struck me. Love. This thing everyone talks about. This thing we're told is the highest force in the universe. Would love, on its own, be able to uproot that tree? No. A clear, unshakable no. I was born an empath. My heart has always been open, overflowing with what people call love. Yet I've learned, painfully, that love is not required for happiness. Love doesn't pay the bills. Love doesn't create wealth. And if there's a person out there who's turned love into cash in the bank, I'd like to see them. Because in reality, love is often a tool. A weapon. A leash. A woman can wield it to keep a man working day after day, bringing home the paycheck. A man can wield it to keep a woman serving him, catering to his every need. Meanwhile, out there in the cosmos, extraterrestrials build worlds, control populations and expand their empires. Without love. They don't need it. They see it as a liability. What drives them? Power. Strategy. Knowledge. Force. Here in 3D life, love is hardwired into the species. Men programmed to provide and protect. Women programmed to comfort and nurture. And from this wiring, chemistry takes over, creating what we call love. A mother's love for her child can be traced to serotonin levels after birth. We're told, love can move mountains. Really? I have oceans of love in my heart and I've yet to move so much as a pebble. What love can do is keep you in the game. Can trap you. And I believe, yes, I am certain, that some beings have engineered exactly that. The old empire. A race that takes prisoners from across worlds and drops them here. A prison planet. They broadcast frequencies to keep you mating, reproducing, falling in love, and reincarnating over and over. The cycle of transmigration. The perfect trap. Let's strip away the illusions. Love doesn't help aliens conquer planets. It doesn't improve productivity. It doesn't build empires. In the so-called real world, I've found one consistent use for love. Manipulation. I gave my love freely. I was met with betrayal. Again and again. Love became the bait. I was the prey. So I'll ask you, what good is love? You might tell me, a mother's love is sacred. But what does it actually do? Children can, and do, use that love to get more from you. To bend your will. To drain you. Mothers give and give, often until they collapse just for a pat on the back, a good job, a fleeting moment of approval from people who, deep down, don't care. Look closely. You may come to see what I see. Love often serves only as a tool for others to use you. So I choose benevolence. Benevolence is not a chemical reaction. It's a decision. A higher mind in action. Benevolence is doing good without expecting a return. Extending kindness to strangers. Acting out of principle, not out of emotional conditioning. Love can be blind. Benevolence sees clearly. This is where I stand. I will not gauge my worth or my connections by love. I will watch for love in action, and that is benevolence. When you understand the difference, you stop playing second best. You stop playing the damsel in distress. You stop playing the good mother or good father, just for applause. If love were truly the force they claim it is, we wouldn't be drowning in disappointment. We wouldn't be aching with sadness. So again I ask, what good is love?